Hi there, in this video we are going to discuss how you can find debt-free companies or companies which are virtually debt-free in India using TradeBrains portal. Now first of all, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish new and interesting stock market related videos every day. Before investing in any stock, one of the key factors to check is the debt of the company, that is how much debt the company has. If the company has a lot of debt, it becomes very troublesome for the company to pay back that debt or the interest on that debt. So it is always recommended to avoid investing in such companies which has very lot debt. A lot of big companies and billionaires such as Anil Ambani, Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya, they all have lost their billionaire status because they have taken a lot of debt and were not able to pay back that money. So in this video we are going to discuss how you can find debt-free companies in India within 2 minutes. So for finding the debt-free companies in India, you have to go on TradeBrains portal, that is portal.tradebrains.in, and here you have to go on products and screener. So using TradeBrains screener, we are going to apply a very simple filter using which you can find the debt-free companies in India, and it is debt to equity ratio. So if the debt to equity ratio of a company is 0, then it means that the company is virtually debt-free. So we are going to use this filter and find out which companies in India are debt-free. So for that, first of all, we are going to use a market cap of at least 500 crores. And second, we want to apply the debt to equity filter. So for that, you have to click on add new filter. You can type here debt to equity. And for that you have to select equals to 0. So here we are selecting companies whose debt to equity ratio is equal to 0. And then you have to run the filter. So here you can see that there are 2006 companies who are virtually debt free or do not have any debt in India. So here you can see that companies like TCS, Infosys, Hindustan Unilever, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Life, Pidilite Industries, Tech Mahindra, all these companies has a debt to equity ratio equal to 0. And you can load more here and to look into more companies who are virtually debt free. And if you want, you can also download the list of these companies by clicking on export here. So if you click on export, you can download all the list of debt free companies in India. Further, if you want to cross check, you can also go on the company's stock details page and look into its balance sheet to find out the debt of the company. So you can find the debt of the company in the liabilities side of the balance sheet of a company. So if you want to find out how much the debt of a company, you have to go on the balance sheet, and there in the liabilities side, look into the secured loans and non-secured loans, and here you can see the secured and non-secured loans for Tata Consultancy Services is 0. Further, you can also look into the trend. For the last 5 years, you can see that there has been no non-secured loan for TCS, and further for the secured loans it has also decreased in the last 5 years, and for the last 3 years it's equal to 0. So overall, if you want to cross check, you can go to the balance side of a company and look into the liabilities, and that too into the secured and non-secured loan of the company. So that's how easy it is to find the list of debt-free companies in India using the TradeBrains portal. Do check out our portal and play around using different filters to find out the companies that suits your requirements. That's all for this video. I hope it was useful to you. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stock market related videos. This is Kritesh signing off.